there, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. We're going to be making groundnut paste today, guys. The likelihood is high that we use this paste in eating bobolo, but you can use it in eating any other starchy thing, maybe like cassava, potatoes, or any other tuber. So we're going to proceed as follows. So get yourselves approximately 2.5 cups of peanuts, like this. Get a frying pan of this nature. Put your peanuts in the pan. Place this on the stove and start moving your peanuts around to avoid burning. So when it's getting hot, guys, we're going to use a stick to move our groundnuts around instead of your hands. So guys, this is what we have. Keep this aside to cool down. Mine nearly got burnt, but this is even better because of the final color of the paste we're going to have at the end. It's going to have an influence on it. So guys, keep this to cool down and then we proceed from there. So we're going to go ahead and blend our groundnuts. Blend the groundnuts with the peelings. So we're going to go ahead and blend. So as you can see, it's getting ready. Patience, guys. I'm going to remove my paste at this stage. I think I've done my best so far. This is what we have. Guys, always endeavor to blend and stop, blend and stop. So I'm going to put everything in a pan like this. Next thing we're going to do will be to place our pan with the groundnut paste on the stove and start stirring. We're going to add a little bit of water at this point. Mix everything up. So I'm going to add some salt at this point. Some Maggi, some crayfish. Guys, it's good to get your crayfish finely ground before you use it in this recipe. So I'm going to be using some chopped habanero pepper. I actually used one whole habanero pepper chopped, but make sure that the seeds are excluded. Continue to mix. Add a little bit of water again and mix. So guys, if you have added your water and arrived at this texture, stop and start stirring on medium heat till you notice the production of oil under the pan. So at this stage we're going to continue stirring, but make sure to taste to ascertain that your Maggi and salt are balanced. That is very important at this stage. So this is the texture we want. You notice the production of oil? See, look at the oil. Our groundnut paste is ready. Of course, you can see the excess production of oil and the browning of the paste. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.